Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Hey everyone, it's Foxx from Model Making Guru here. Hello, welcome. It has been a week. Today is the 13th of March. It's about 12:30. 13th of March, so it's been a week. So it's time to pull the winner for our Bandai high-grade Pacific Rim Uprising Obsidian Fury Metallic version kit. Now, if you remember, last week I received this kit and I did a little review sent to me by my very new good friends at geekjack.net. It's a beautiful little kit. It's really nice and detailed for an HG. And what I said was I was making it available. I was going to give it away to one of my Patreon supporters. And I'm doing that today. Now, what I asked them to do, and non-patrons won't know this, but what I asked them to do was basically come back to the video and put their favourite word in the comments, which if you've seen the comments and you're not a patron is why there's lots of weird little comments. You may not have known that. So, yeah, we've got lots and lots of entries. Butt plug, says Co Winston. Yep, thank you. What else we got? Let's have a look. Heretic. Spoon, says Keith Denny. Effervescent, says Weebadoodle Squeegee. Poop Shingle from Miskatonic University Podcast. Ram. Smeg. Cockpit. Yeah, I expected that from you, Paul. I really did. Butt plug from Joseph. Shahumina. Airborne. Let's have a look. What else we got? Pickles. That's a good word. Pickles. I like the word pickles. Kebab. I'm going to try and say it. Photophosphorylation. Photophosphorylation. There you go. Ha! I took a couple of goes, but I got it. Gostoso. 2 times more shine. Durable Moomin, says Ben Dixon. Flibbity gibbet. So you can see there we've got quite a lot of good words. Now, only entries from my patrons, my Patreon supporters are actually eligible. There's a lot of comments on there from other folks. So what we're going to do, we are going to pick a winner at random. So as always, I'm going to take the URL, if it'll select it, take the URL for this YouTube page, and I'm going to put it into the website I use for random comment picking, which I noticed today is actually the same one that Zaku Aurelius uses. So, you know, we all find these things. We all use the same stuff. I've noticed that the other day. I'm like, oh, he uses the same one. Cool. Anyway, yes, so what we're going to do, we're going to pull a winner. Now, it is entirely possible. I do have my list of patrons over on the other monitor, just so I can make sure that the person I pull is actually a patron. Now, it is possible the first person we pull won't be a patron. If that's the case, we'll pull another one and we'll keep going until we get a patron's comment. So let's load in this web page. So we're going to paste that in there. And we've got 50 comments. So let's go ahead and see who the winner is. Are you ready? Let's crack on. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we got Brandon Walker. Let me just double check if Brandon Walker is a patron. Hang on. Brandon Walker. Yep, Brandon Walker is a patron. Congratulations, Brandon. You have your comment number 39. Ram. Bad guy in Gears of War. It was a bit of a pain in the bum. Yes, well done. Congratulations. You have won yourself the HG. I just said H. Oh, I can't believe I just said H. It's H. HG. It's like saying herb. HG Obsidian Fury Metallic Version Kit. Fully built. The stickers are all separate. They've not been stuck on, so you can do those if you want. You've also got the 2 chainsword accessories, and you've got the plates for the back of the hands, because you've got 2 different sets of hands. And I've put the instructions in there as well, and there's also a Model Making Guru sticker, because who doesn't like stickers? That's in there for you. It's all boxed up and ready to go. All I need you to do is pop me an email at modelmakingguru@gmail.com. It's on the bottom of the screen there. Or if you're in the Boom Hut, you can just send me a message to the Boom Hut on Facebook. Or you can just send me a message on Facebook. Or I'm Model Making Guru on Facebook, by the way. Or you can, just pop me a message on Patreon. Do a private message on Patreon. I'll need your name, your address, OBS, and a contact number for you. And that's purely just so the courier, if he gets to your door and there's no one there, the delivery guy can phone you up and say, hi, where are you? I'm delivering your package. Your spoon, where are you? So he can drop it off for you. So I will get that sent off once I've got your details. Well done. Congratulations. Thank you to everybody that entered, all my patrons, and thank you to everybody who just put a comment on there anyway. As you well know, I always say I love my patrons and my non-patrons just as much as each other. But that's going to do us. As always, if you'd like to be able to win these kind of competitions, because I do the occasional patron giveaway. Do pop along to patreon.com/modelmakingguru. And you're more than welcome to help support this channel, help keep this channel going. You can do anything from $1 a month up. I'll put my teeth in. $1 a month upwards, as much or as little as you like. You don't have to, it's purely optional. I am really grateful for all the support my patrons give me. They keep me going. It's because of them that I'm able to keep doing this and do things like giveaways and keep doing videos. So do pop along and check it out. If you'd like to help me out, you're more than welcome. Don't forget, of course, there is another competition ongoing now. On the Model Makers Boom Hut, our group on Facebook, best group on Facebook for model making, there is an ongoing giveaway or an ongoing competition, which doesn't have a draw till I think the 27th of this month, so you've still got a couple of weeks. And all I'm asking you to do is colour in a picture of a not a space marine, but an Imperial Guard dude with a cool colour scheme, because I need to figure out a colour scheme for my Warhammer army. It's Astra Militarum or Imperial Guard. And all I'm asking you to do is colour in the picture and post it in the Boom Hut, and I will pick a winner. And the winner is going to win a 40k Valkyrie dropship kit. Mint, unopened, still sealed, everything. And a Model Making Guru sticker, strangely enough. And it's a really sweet, beautiful kit, so it's up for grabs. We've had quite a few entries, but we've had disappointingly not millions of entries. There are 3,500 of you in the Boom Hut now. So I expect at least, 2,000 entries. Yeah. So even if it's not your kind of kit, it doesn't matter. You can build it, you can paint it, you can sell it. I don't really mind what you do with it. It's up to you. But it's just a nice thing to win. So if you've not had a chance to enter yet, pop along to the Model Makers Boom Hut. There's a pinned thread at the top of the page. If you're on mobile or a tablet, it may just say show pinned post. It might not show that post. So you might have to press show pinned post and it'll pop it up. Because on mobiles, it doesn't open that by default. There's a picture on there on the top of the post. The first comment is a black and white line image of some Imperial Guard dudes. All you need to do is download that, colour it in however you like. You can use paint or Photoshop or colour pencils or felt tips. It doesn't really matter, and take a photograph. And then post a comment on that post with your colour design picture. And I'll put them all together. I'll pick the one I like the most, and that person will win the Warhammer 40k Valkyrie. So do crack on. You've only got a couple of weeks to go. We need more entries. I need more ideas. We've had loads of good entries so far, and there are some in there I'm thinking, yeah, I like that. But I want to wait till the end to see what we come up with. So literally 10 minutes out of your day to colour in a picture and post it on Facebook. It's not hard. So come on, folks. Let's get going. Let's get some entries coming, because you want to win that Valkyrie. It's a really beautiful kit. It's really big and it's really nice. But that's going to do us. Thank you to Brandon taking part. Congratulations. Thank you to everybody else who entered and anybody else who just put a comment on. Thank you to everybody who just watched the video.